Hi, I'm Sonal Paladini with Sonal Paladini Yoga YouTube channel. This is a short 20-minute yoga flow that includes arm balancing and also inversions. It's perfect for busy days. So join me on the yoga mat when you're ready. Let's start in a simple seated position. I recommend Vajrasana. So you're sitting on your heels, your hands are on your thighs. Close your eyes. Let's take 3 gentle breaths to get settled. Inhale through your nose and let it out. Inhale and let it out. Another deep inhale and sigh it out. Open your eyes. Inhale, arms up. Look at your hands. Exhale, hands back. Roll your shoulders back. Inhale here. Exhale, lean forward. Maybe you bring your head to the yoga mat. When that feels good, you can bring your hands up. Maybe also your butt up. Stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lean back and come up. Bring your hands onto the yoga mat. Let's find tabletop position. Lean back and forth a few times. And let's integrate cat and cow with this movement. Lean back like cow position. Lean forward like cat. Lean back. Inhale. Lean forward. Exhale. Lean back. Expand your chest like cow position. Lean forward. Contract your stomach. Lean back. Expand. Lean forward. Lean back. And lean forward. Maybe when you lean forward this time, you can bring your pelvis to the yoga mat and lean back. Let's try that again. Lean forward. Maybe bring your pelvis to the yoga mat. Lean back. Like baby cobra. Lean forward. Baby cobra. Lean back. Tuck your toes. Lift your butt up. Downward facing dog. Bend your left knee. Bend your right knee. Lean side to side as you bend each knee. And let's open up the hamstrings. And then let's hold our downward facing dog position. Stay here. Your heels can be up or your heels can be back onto the yoga mat. Find the position that works for you. We all don't have to make the same position, so find something in which you can stay for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring your heels up, lean forward like a wave, plank, and let your butt sink. Upward facing dog. Roll your shoulders back. Stay here. Push your chest through your arms. Bring your butt up. Lean back into downward facing dog. Let's do that once more. Lift your heels up. Roll forward like a wave. Plank position. And let your butt sink. Upward facing dog. You can bring your feet a little bit apart. Lean back and forth. One last time. Come back into downward facing dog. Your heels come up. Roll forward like a wave. Sink down to upward facing dog and stay active. So you're not sinking, you're staying active. Alright, that's enough. Bring your knees to the yoga mat. Lean back, take a little chill pill in child pose. So, pike your hips back, come into downward facing dog. Bring your right knee up, bend your knee. Really open your right hip on top of the left. Lean forward, right knee to your right elbow. Stay here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring your leg back. Lean forward, right knee to nose or chin. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right leg long. Lean forward, right knee to left elbow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back. Right foot between the hands, left knee to the yoga mat. Roll your shoulders back. Low lunge position. Your neck stays long. Breathe. Hands to the yoga mat. Right leg comes back. Left leg comes up. Bend your knee. Really bring your left hip on top of your right. Open your hip. Lean forward. Knee to left elbow. Stay 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 3 leg downward dog. Inhale. Exhale. Forward to nose. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lean back. Inhale. Exhale. Knee to right elbow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back. Left foot between the hands. Right knee to the yoga mat. Roll your shoulders back. Low lunge position. Breathe. Bring your hands to the yoga mat. Left leg goes back. Downward facing dog. Now bring your feet between your hands. You can take these little steps if that feels good. You can do this on toes, tiptoes, or your feet can be flat, whatever feels good. And when you come forward, come into your forward fold position. You can hold your ankles or you can hold your elbows, whatever feels good. Breathe. Stay here. Next breath, come up a little bit, let your butt sink a little bit, bring your arms up, chair position, inhale, exhale, sit down. Maybe you can come directly in boat position, bring your legs up, your stomach is active, contract your stomach, stay here, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lie down, bring your legs back just as a transition and come back and stand up, maybe with your hands or not. Arms up, inhale, forward fold. Right leg goes back, downward facing dog. Lean forward, knees, chest, chin. Inhale, baby cobra. Exhale, downward dog. Right leg goes forward, left leg forward, forward fold. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, namaste. Left side, inhale, arms up. Exhale, forward fold. Left leg goes back, right leg goes back. Vinyasa, cobra position with inhale and back to downward facing dog. Left leg comes forward, right leg comes forward, forward fold. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, namaste. Inhale, expand. Exhale, forward fold. You can come back directly into chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Stay here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Look between your hands, bend your knees, walk, step, jump, come into forward fold. Inhale, half up, exhale, bend. Inhale, arms up, exhale, namaste. Inhale, come into chair position. Exhale, forward fold. Come back into chaturanga. Exhale, with inhale, upward facing dog. Come into downward dog. Right foot comes between the hand. Come into warrior 1 position. Stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right leg goes back. Vinyasa. Upward facing dog. Downward facing dog. Left foot between the hands. Come into warrior 1. Stay here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands to the yoga mat. Vinyasa. Upward facing dog. Downward facing dog. Stay in downward facing dog for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Forward fold, half up, and come into chair position. And back to namaste. Inhale, arms up, exhale, forward fold. Bring your feet apart. Your hands can hold your feet, Option 1, or hold your ankles and come deeper into your forward fold. This is your little bit of a break. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, half up. Exhale, hands to the stomach and come up. Feet come back together. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, forward fold. Bring your right leg back. Right knee comes onto the yoga mat. Low lunge position. Stay here. Breathe. Come into half split. Stay here. Exhale. Come into high lunge position. Your right knee comes up. And now let's find pyramid position. So hold your waist a little bit. Maybe bring your back foot a little bit forward. And both your legs are somewhat straight. Your hips are pointing forward. And when your base feels correct, lean forward. Hands to the yoga mat. And stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring your hands forward. Your right leg comes up. Option, standing split. Second option, in standing split, you can bring both your hands to your standing leg. Your left leg. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands to the yoga mat. Come up a little bit. Your left hand stays on the yoga mat. It's not directly in front of your left foot, but a little bit to the left side to help you with the balance. Right knee bends. Right hand comes to the waist. Option, right hand can hold your foot. Holding the foot is not so important, but just we are going in that direction. Stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let your foot go. Bring both your hands forward. Bring your right knee directly behind left. And maybe sit down and you've landed in your twist. So if you didn't land correctly, let's solidify your base. So your right knee is pointing forward. Right foot, right heel is touching your left side butt. Your left leg is on top. Left knee is pointing up. And from here, let's twist to the left side. Left hand comes back. Right arm is just holding your left leg. Stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If arm balance is a part of your practice, you can turn a little bit to the right, lean forward, and let's do a twisted leg Ekapada Kundalini variation. From here, if you want, you can extend your legs. Stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back into Vinyasa, downward facing dog. From downward facing dog, bring your feet between your hands, forward fold. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, Namaste. Inhale, expand. Exhale, forward fold. Left leg goes back, knee to the yoga mat. With inhale, come into your low lunge position. Enjoy this position. Breathe. With exhale, let's find half split and stay here. So notice how some of the positions have opposing action. And now let's come into high lunge. So from here, bring your arms up, high lunge position. Stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands to your waist. Left foot comes just a little bit forward so that your left heel comes flat on the yoga mat. Hands come to your butt just to check if your hips are facing forward. So not leaning on one side, they are facing completely forward. When you're ready, lean forward on top of your right leg. If you want to deepen it, you can put your hands onto the yoga mat. And we stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lean forward. Your hands come directly in front of your right foot and your left leg lifts. So standing split. You can let your hands be on the yoga mat or hold your right leg with one hand or both the hands, whichever option feels good. When you've had enough, bring your right hand onto the yoga mat. Left arm comes up, half moon or chapasana. Bend your left knee, hold your left foot and really open in chapasana position. We stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's come into a shrimp squat kind of a position with your left knee directly behind your right. If you want, you can sit down and you've landed into your Gaumukhasana leg position. So, if you didn't land correctly, let's find the position. So your left knee is pointing forward, your left heel is touching your right side of the butt, your right leg is over the left. Stay here. You can hold your right leg with your left hand and bring your right hand back and enjoy this gentle twist. We stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Face forward, bring your hands to the yoga mat and let's find our Kundalini Asana variation with crossed leg. From here, if you want, stay here or you can open your legs and hold it. Come into Vinyasa and downward facing dog. From downward facing dog, we bring both your knees to the yoga mat. Chest and chin, knees, chest, chin, baby cobra, and come back in a child pose. Your head stays on the yoga mat. Take a gentle breath. Breathe. Now this is a short practice, but let's do one inversion. You can do inversion of your choice. You can do a headstand, or you can do shoulder stand. You could also do forearm stand or handstand, whatever is a part of your practice. So for headstand, you can bring both your hands forward, your elbows are directly under your shoulders, holding your head with your hands. If you want my headstand tutorial, I will put the link here. So come into headstand, however you want, with a wall, without a wall. And we stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come into an L-shaped position. Hold it if you can. If you can't, that's also okay. If you're in handstand, this might be a little bit difficult. And when you've had enough, slowly bring your feet to the yoga mat and chill a little bit in child pose. So either you did headstand. If you want, you could also pause the video and do another inversion. I also like to do forearm stand. So my body is asking for it. So for that, I'll come into dolphin, bring one leg up, and maybe hop or maybe lift up. You can change your leg position when you come into forearm stand to find the position that feels good and stay. I like to play out with different leg variations and find which one works better. That's how you can solidify your inversion, by playing around with your leg shapes. And when you've had enough, come back and let's find child pose. Breathe. So considering this is a short practice for busy days, Now we will find Shavasana, and we will lie down on the back, close the eyes, and breathe. If you have a little bit time on your hand, you can pause the video and stay in longer Shavasana. So thank you for sharing your practice with me. Please subscribe. Bye.